rough, and one of the things you're going to have to produce are going to be detail views. Here's some examples. This is a detail view of the elevator, so you can see it's kind of like a really close-up image of that. So I'm going to show you how to make one of these right now. So I'm going to do this on the second floor, and what we need to do is go to the menu up here, choose View, and we're looking for the Call Out tool. So if you look at this, it lets you kind of zoom in on a spot and it will give you details. So we're going to choose that tool, and then you just draw a rectangle of what you would like to detail. In this case, I'm going to detail the emergency stairs. So I just click and drag and click, okay? One of the things I want to point out, the label right here, let's get this label out of here. Let's zoom in on that. So that's crossing over a bunch of stuff. It makes it cluttered. So I'm going to click on the dotted lines, and then I'm going to choose the little ball next to that circle, and I can move that out. If you want to angle the leader line, you can click again and drag that center one out and kind of angle it like that. Okay, so now we've got it positioned outside of the drawing. You can also go in here and adjust the size. So if you want to bring that in a little bit and capture maybe some of this window here, so that might be a little more interesting. So now what we're going to do is go find it. So if you look, this is on the second floor, and right here it added a, if you look over here in my project browser, underneath second floor we have second floor callout number 1. So I'm going to double click on that, and you can see we have the emergency stairs here. All right, we need to hide some things. Let's clean it up a little bit. We don't need to see these levels and grids, so we're going to hide and view by element here and right here, hide and view. If it says category, go ahead and choose category, because sometimes it pops up with more than one. Hide and view and element, okay. Another thing too, just to make it look a little cleaner, let's hide that crop box. So that's this little button down here in the bottom menu. Also make sure it's on course, and make sure it's also on, well, you really don't get to choose. Okay, good. So it's just, you let it use the defaults, whatever it chooses for detail views. So here we have the detail view. To help yourself out, we're going to go over here and rename this and make it detail, something that tells you it's a detail. So we could put detail, emergency stairs. All right. So when you go add this in the drawing, it will populate that little circle on the original floor plan to show where that is located. But this is how you make a detail view. I will put together a detail view drawing video next. All right, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.